Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. Today I am making a delicious and super easy one skillet meal. Now these are some of my very favorites. I just love them because you can just dump all your ingredients in one skillet and then you have this amazing meal. Now today I am making a one skillet taco spaghetti. Yeah, this one is such a good one. It feels like it has been forever since I have made one of these for you guys, so I'm super excited today to share this with you. Let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. So you will need 1 pound of ground beef and then 1/2 of a cup each of chopped bell pepper and chopped onion, 2 garlic cloves, and then 2 cups of a shredded cheese. Now this is a Mexican blend, but you could just use cheddar if you want. Then 1 can of diced tomatoes. I like to use the fire roasted. And then 1 can of chili beans. And then I have an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then you will need your taco seasoning. Now I like to use my own, but if you want to get the package kind of taco seasoning, then you could just use 1 packet of the taco seasoning. And then 2 to 2.5 cups of water. And then this is a 2-pound box of spaghetti, and I'm going to use just 1 pound of that, so half of this box. I'm going to add my ground beef to a large skillet, and I'm also going to add my onions and my peppers. And I'm going to mince my garlic. And I'm just going to let this cook until the ground beef is completely browned. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my taco seasoning, and like I said, you can add the packaged kind if you want, and it would just be 1 package. Alright, so now I'm going to add my tomatoes and my tomato sauce, and I'm going to add the chili beans. Then I'm going to take my spaghetti and I'm breaking it in half. And I am estimating half of this box. And then I'm going to pour in the water and give it all a good stir. And I'm going to cover this and let this cook for a few minutes and then come back and stir it again. And if you have to add some more water, just add a little bit more water, it's okay. All right, so once your spaghetti is done, you turn off the heat. And then I'm gonna sprinkle in about half of this cheese. And I'm just going to stir that cheese in. Wow, this taco spaghetti is beautiful and it is so delicious. You guys got to come and check this out. Now I sprinkled a little bit of green onion on top. I think it makes it look so pretty. And you have the flavors of taco with spaghetti. And it is all made in one skillet. Those are the best. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.